Brief or current and important news of today's Wednesday. Maulavi Muhammad Yaqub Mujahid, acting Minister of National Defense, says that there is no threat to any country from Afghanistan. Instead of making accusation against Afghanistan, regional countries should pay attention to ensuring their internal security. Maulavi Abdul Kabir, the political assistant of the Prime Minister's department, said in a special interview with Fellow News, in a short time the constitution in bylaws will be completed. He added, we are the sons of this nation. We are not dependent on the nation. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, the Minister of Interior Affairs, told at the meeting in Kabul, the goal of the Islamic Emirate is to defend its land. Honorable Khalifa added, the world should choose the way of interaction rather than creating problems against the Islamic Emirate. Sheikh Nida Muhammad Nadim, acting Minister of Higher Education, said on the second anniversary of the victory of the 20-year struggle of Afghans against the invaders that the ruling Islamic system in the country's independence are the result of thousands of sacrifices. Qari Muhammad Yusuf Ahmadi was appointed as the acting chairman of Afghanistan National Radio and Television based on the order of his supreme leader. Kabul municipality says 2 street construction projects have started in the 16th district. The National Agency of Standards says in the last 10 days, 74 tankers of low-quality fuel have been returned to Iran in Farah, 78-mile port.